Yeah. Good morning, all of you. Hope it is visible to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Start.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Participants,
Good
any
morning, sir.
queries? Please note down. Only we'll discuss at the end of the session. Okay. Not during the session, because we'll cover so many questions. Our time is very short. Please note down questions. Any queries, please note down question number or answer or any particular we'll discuss at the end of the session. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to meet. Yeah, Sridhar garu, please check, is it scrolling? Everything is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This question already discussed. Planet 31, it is the track renewals. Okay. Very important. This planets, coordinators, and primary unit numbers, demand numbers. Especially, definitely, you will get 3 to 4 questions, classifications. Okay. Now, please attempt. Dash demand number of the demands for grants in works budget pertain to assets acquisition, construction, and replacement. This is the AEN 70% exam 2023. Assets acquisition, construction, and replacement. Very good. Stop. So this is the demand number 16. Now it is called erstwhile demand. Erstwhile demand. Because all of you know, now demand number, it is a one demand number, single demand number, it is 85, subsumes 1 to 16. Okay. So what is 15? It is the dividends payment to general revenues. This is appropriation to funds, DRF, pension fund, and other funds. There is no number, this 17. Okay, so answer is 16. Actually, it is asked erstwhile demand. All 16 demands are subsumed. Yeah. And this is the demand number 85. For 26, 27 also same demand. No change. Okay. This 15, it is the dividends payable to general revenues. Not relevant now. Okay. It is relevant to some extent because the dividends is not there. But repayment of loans to the general revenues, it is there now. And appropriation to funds, and it is not existed, demand number 70. Okay, for railways, other ministries, it is there. Yeah. So what is the dividend payable to the by the railways after merger of railway budget? This is AE 70% and APO LDC. See, if you check most of the questions, it is a repeated. So better please concentrate on the previous year question papers. What is the dividend percentage we are paid? After 2017 and 18, that is after merger of budget, 2%, nil, 1%, or lump sum 100 crores every year. Yes, please stop. Yes, it is the nil answer. Okay, please check. Now we'll check some other aspects about the measure of the budget. This is the measure of budget. It is the recommendations of Niti Ayog. The document titled Dispensing with the Rail Budget. The economist Vivek Debrai and officer on special duty Kishore Desai, they are commented the practice of releasing a separate rail budget has turned into a failed exercise. Over the years, the railway has not succeeded in solving the issues of the underinvestment. So that is the changes. It is the 85 single demand number for 85, And S12 demands 3 to 4. It is very important. 3 to 4 it is renamed as the sub-major head. Only 3 to 4. Not other demands. Why? Because
Recording in progress.
3 to 14 it is under one single major head. And capital H charge since inception it is stands extinguished. But right now we are calculated dividend and only for information purpose, not for paying. And another important development is the budget review. August review estimates is dispensed, no more required. And REBE, revised estimates and budget estimates, it is advanced. Submission is previously it is in the month of November. Now it is advanced to September. This is also important. These are all important for budget. Which of the following is not a function? Please check this. Not is very, very important because it decides your answer. That means other three are the functions of accounts department. One item is not function of the accounts department. This is AST, LDC exam. Yes, please stop. This is the budget preparation. Please check budget preparation. It is the duty of all executives, not accounts function. Because accounts job is only scrutinizing the budget submitted by the executives. That is the job. Whereas others, please check financial advice, internal check, keeping of the accounts, maintenance of the records. These are the functions of accounts department. See, budget preparation is the responsibility of executive. Accounts responsibility is the compiling, consolidating, scrutiny and monitoring. This is the first chapter of the accounts code. The functions: railway accounts maintenance, preparation of accounts, internal check, settlement of the bills, and see, responsibility for correct allocation or classification. It is the secondary responsibility, not first responsibility. Primary responsibility is the executives again, and budget compilation and financial advice. Yeah. Here this is the true. See, which of the following one statement, what are the statements are true? ACM, AYM and ACM. Yeah, this AYM and ACM, 99% it is the similar question, the same exam. Because it is prepared by only one PHOD. So financial rules, establishment rules, almost it is similar. Yeah, please check. Based on the RE, revision grant is given. Based on the BE, budget grant is given. Based on the FM, final grant is given. So all are correct, or only one is correct, only two is correct, only three is correct. Yes, all are correct. Please check. This is correct based on revised estimates, revised grant. Based on budget estimates, budget grant. This is the basis, exact amount is not. Based on FM, FM means actually this is the FME, final modification estimates. The final grant is given. Okay. So all are correct. Yeah. What are grants distributed to zonal railways by railway board is called? Please check. It is the distributed. Already I told one mnemonic word. What is the mnemonic word? AO. So you can answer very easily if you remember this. AO. Distribution. This is APO 2023 exam. Yes, please stop. This is budget allotments. Please remember first allotment. Then such allotments are carried to zonal railways through orders. So first allotments, then next order. So this is first, this is second. So A, O. What is allotment? Distribution, that's all. Distribution of grant by railway board to zonal railways. What is orders? The orders by means of which the allotments are called, allotments are carried, or allotments are carried. Okay. This is very easy. Please attempt. SNT. This is the single planet for the SNT department. Yes. Very easy. Yes, yes. Please stop. 33. What is 16? Traffic facilities. 29 LC gate. 35 RE. Okay. Traffic facilities. 29 is level crossing. 30 is the ROB, together called Road Safety Box, and RE. This is the one and only planet for the SNT department, 33. Which of the following is responsible for preparation of and presentation of union budget to the parliament? Yesterday we discussed the GFR. In the GFR it is clearly mentioned one department is responsible for the preparation and presentation of union budget to the parliament. Yeah, many of us confused it is the department of expenditure, no, not department of financial service or revenue. This is correct answer. Economic affairs, the department of economic affairs and budget division. That means ministry is the finance, department is economic affairs, division is budget. Okay, it is stands for department for responsible for preparing and presenting budget. The division of Ministry of Finance and budget process begins around August or September of the previous year, that is almost 6 months before. The budget is also known as annual financial statement. And this is very important. Budget is presented every year on 1st February because that is from 1718 onwards, 1617 onwards. 1 year before the merger of budget. So before it was the last day of the February month. That means almost 1 month is advanced. 1 month is advanced for submission of the REB. This is a very popular phrase. Submitted in which month? See, please check. Most of the questions I am taking from the previous year questions only. Very good, very good. Yeah. Initially, before merger, it is the November. Now it is advanced to September. At that time, August we estimate is the August, REB is November, because February 28th we are submitted the budget 28th or 29th. Now it was advanced. So due to advancement, this August is dispensed and it was advanced to September. Okay. Now, which of the following constitute inventory budget under capital segment? This is AFA 2023. The only stores, WMS, miscellaneous advance capital, works budget. 1 only, 2 only, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 4. Yes, this is correct. 1, 2, 3 is correct. That means 71 stores budget, 72 WMS budget, 73 MAC, miscellaneous advance capital. So all three are capital suspense heads. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This is AFA 22. Please go through. Yesterday we discussed GFR. With the merger of the railway budget with the general budget, the demands for grant and statement of budget estimates shall also be a part of the general budget with effect from 1718. This is the authority for merger of budget. Authority officially informed. So it is a little difficult. They are given rule 43, sub rule 1, 2, 3, 4. Yesterday we discussed it. Yes, it is the 43 sub rule 2. Now we'll check what is 43.1. 43.1 is the presentation of budget finance minister to the parliament as per article. This is article is very, very important. Article 112.1. 43.2, this is important. Merger of railway budget into general budget. And 43.3 is the preparation, formulation, submission as per articles 112 to 116 of the Constitution of India. And 43.4, budget division, Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance shall issue guidelines for the preparation of the budget estimates from time to time. All the ministries shall comply in full with these guidelines. Just now we discussed this rule 43.4. Please check. Rule. Yes, this is the. GFR 43.4. 43.4 is, yes, who is the responsible for the submission of the budget. Yeah. Please check 43.4. Okay. Yeah. Next. Among the following demands, which demand has the highest allocation funds as per budget documents for the year 2022-23? This is AFA 22. Yes. Yeah, please stop. Normally, this is the demand number 10. Fuel is the highest. But now the diesel rates are reduced. The HSD oil consumption because of the electrification 99% and the leftover consumption also it is the rates are reduced diesel and this demand number 9 is going to highest. But this is the 22-23 latest year we'll check later. But most of the times it is the demand number 9 or 10. 9 is the traffic. Why 9 is prominence means because every year this lease charges paid to IRFC is increasing year by year. Because most of the rolling stock we are purchasing from we are taken lease from the IRFC. So that IRFC component, interest component we are booked to demand number 9 traffic. That is the reason this is dominating this demand number 10. Otherwise, last 20 or 30 years, this is the highest allocation, demand number 10. Because of the share of the IRFC in the rolling stock, now 9 becomes highest. Interest component of the extra budgetary resources for national projects is major head. This is a little difficult question. But we'll check all the major heads now. Yeah, please raise the hand who is proficient and confident in the major heads. Yeah, Karnal Singh ji, please unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, idea, this answer?
3075, sir.
Exactly. Okay. Then what about, please tell me only commercial lines, Indian Railway revenue receipts.
1002.
Very good. What about working expenses, commercial lines, all commercial lines?
3002, sir.
3002. Yeah, what about the assets, demand number 16? What is the major head?
Commercial line 5002, sir.
Yeah, only commercial lines. Yes. Now tell me all these three heads, if it is a strategic lines.
1003, 3003, 5003.
1003, 3003, 5003.
500.
So what is the simple rule? Plus 1.
1.
Plus 1. Okay, very good. Yeah, 1 minute. Any other? Any other about the major heads? Please quick. Any other person is there? Yeah, okay. Karan Singh ji, please answer. What is miscellaneous receipts?
1001, sir.
Very good. That means this is 1002 is the revenue receipts, 1001 is the miscellaneous receipts. Is it again separate for commercial and strategic?
Yes, sir.
No, 1001 miscellaneous receipts, is it separate for commercial and separate for strategic?
Yes, sir. Only for demand number 1 and 2, sir. Miscellaneous
No,
receipt.
no. This miscellaneous receipts, it is only one head. There is no commercial and strategic.
Yes, sir.
Revenue receipts, it is separate, is there. What about demand number 1 and 2?
Demand number 1, sir. Railway board, related railway board, sir.
3001. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Now we'll check other options also. This 5003 is the capital outlay on the Indian Railway strategic lines. 3045, there is no major head bearing with this number. This is not important internal debt of the state government. This is, yeah, see. This is the statement. Yeah, I will share the, I will take the screenshot. Please wait. Yeah, Sridhar garu, will you take a screenshot? Oh, 1 minute. Okay, I got it. 1 minute. Very, very important. Yeah, I will share it the group. Wait 1 minute. Yeah, now is it visible? Sridhar garu, please confirm. Yeah. Please attempt question number 21.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Sanjit ji, please unmute quick.
Sir, can you discuss management PPT?
Pardon?
Management, sir, management accounting.
See, we'll check at the end of the session, please. Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
All queries we can discuss at the end of the session. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Please attempt. Which one of the following statement is the correct statement? This is the A. See, principal component, it is a budgeted revenue demand, so nil. Principal component budget under capital demand, yes, it is correct. Amount of 40,000 crores, this is a little difficult to check this and whether correct or not, because figures it is very difficult to remember. And IRFC, it is a 1986 it was. So the correct answer is B. Please check here, the question is very careful whether the examiner is asking the correct question or not the negative side. Okay. So B is correct. Okay, it is the planet 22. And interest component demand number 9. Because of this reason only, this demand number 9 is going to be highest allocation. This is a little bit confusion. Anyway, please try. Which one of the following statements are correct? One by one, please tick. See here asking how many statements are correct? The question. Now we'll check one by one. The capital budgeting is process for making investment decisions for creation of capital assets. So capital budget, it is the investment decisions for creation of capital assets. Perfect, right. One is right. Capital budgeting decisions involve spending of current funds for the benefits to be achieved in the future. Yes. If it is a revenue for benefits achieved in the current now, but it is the for future creation, current funds. So S2 also correct. And 3. Capital budget decisions are reversible in the nature. No. Suppose we started construction of the 20-floor building. After constructing of 10 floors, can you come back? No, we cannot come back. So it is the irreversible in the nature. So 3 is no. Capital budgeting decisions have a short-term effect on the profitability. No, it is the long-term effect. Capital is a long-term decision. So 4 also. So these type of questions, this is the best way of preparation of this methodology. So you have to do some rough work, then you have to check once again second time, and now check what is the 1 and 2 are correct. So that means 1 and 2 is correct one. So C is correct. Okay. Yeah. In stores budget, issues to capital manufacturing suspense reflect. This is a very, very important question and frequently asked question. Stores budget issues to capital manufacturing suspense. Manufacturing suspense means planet 72 WMS. Stores it is the 71. We'll check one by one. Estimated value of material to be drawn by various users of divisions. No, because it is the 72 is the only workshops, not divisions. So that's why it is wrong. Estimated value of material to be drawn by the workshop. Yes, this is perfect. Because WMS is the planet 72 manufacturing suspense. Please check the manufacturing suspense. And here again we'll check. Estimated value of material to be issued for fabrication to contractors. This is the planet 73 MAC, miscellaneous advanced contractors. So this is also no. So there is no question of all of these. So what is correct answer? B. To be drawn by workshop, that is the WMS planet 72. Okay. The following statement is correct about the stores budget. Correct. Please check. AMM LDC 2022. That means one statement is correct. Other 3 statements are incorrect. Please try. Yeah. Please stop. Now check. The budget estimate for the ensuing year, that means next year, is sent along with the revised estimate of the current year. Yes, this is perfect. This is nothing but REPE. Revised estimates for the current year and budget estimates for the next year in the month of September. Simultaneously, we are submitted. That's why, though it is involved two separate statements, we are calling it is one review. So, budget estimate next year is sent along with the revision. Yes, this is correct. At the same time, don't jump to the next question. You please ensure other options also correct or not correct, because here only one statement should be correct. Now please check. The budget estimate for the next year and revised estimate for the current year are sent separately. No. That means this answer should be either A or B, because one is contradictory both. And August review and budget estimates are prepared together. Anyway, it is incorrect. Why? Because this is a dispensed, deleted from the budget. None of this. So it is a confidently you can answer A is the correct answer. Okay. Based on the which committee recommendation, the railway finances were separated. AMM 2022. Yes, all of you know, Awkward Committee. Merger Niti Ayog. Merger is Niti Ayog and separation it is the Awkward Committee. And this Awkward Committee is another noted market development is the appointment of the Financial Commissioner in the 1923. Also it is the recommendation of Awkward Committee. Okay. Thomas Robertson Committee it is the Railway Board formation in the 1905. This is important. Thomas Robertson Committee. Okay. So please check. Please wait. This is also will take screenshot. This is all very, very important committees. Yeah, now we'll discuss. Please check this Railway Board established in 1905, very, very important, Thomas Robertson Committee. And Finance Committee 1908, not much important. That is the Railway Department is established. This is important. William Awkward Committee 1923, Financial Commissioner is appointment. Now it is the member finance. And another recommendation of William Awkward Committee, very important, is the 1924 separation of railway budget. And this is also very, very important. Sir Arthur Lois Dickinson 1929, the audit and accounts are separated. And Indian Railway Inquiry Committee, that is known as Wedgwood Committee, in the 1941 brought railway accounts under the control of GM. And Niti Ayog, it is the merger of railway budget with the general budget. All are very, very important, especially this Awkward Committee, Thomas Robertson Committee, and Niti Ayog. These four, please remember. The detailed distribution of budget allotments made to the railway administration is contained in AMM. Yes, very easy. All of you know pink book. But the concept of pink book, the printing of pink book, it is a dispensed last 2 years back. Now it is everything, it is available in the online. Wherever you interested, you can take the print. Otherwise, there is no printing of manual. And this is not much important because it is a no more significance. Previously, it is the yellow is the speech of railway minister. Blue book is the book of demands. White book, it is still it is in there. Any explanatory memorandum. White book and white paper is very, very important. White paper is the official declaration of the facts by the government of India. That is called white paper. And pink book, demand number 16. Green, this is also important. Green book still it is the statistics, the basic document for the development of the goods unit cost. Okay. Very important primary unit. Most important primary unit. SPU 30. Why? Because before this assigned this PU 30, it is a part of contractor's payment 32. But it is a difficult to know what is the total payments to the electrical consumption. That is whether it is a traction purpose or non-traction purpose. That is office electricity or anything. So it is the PU 32. Previously it is charged to 32. Now booked to 30. 30 is very, very important. Please check. Okay. Yeah. This is nothing but payments to the consumption of electricity charges. That is payments to distributed companies, state electricity boards. Okay. PU 31 is the fuel direct purchase. Introduced. This is also new PU. And PU 32, it is all of contractual payment, very important. And 61 also new PU. PU 61, GTKM debits or IRFA adjustments. Because previously we are to 33, now it is 61. VERBS, and RBS also is a separate abbreviation, and VERBS another. Yes, very good. RBS means rail budget system. RBS very important, rail budget system. Then VE means VPN enabled. VPN enabled. Here efficient is incorrect. Virtual is incorrect. Virtual enabled is enabled right. This is VPN right. Efficient is incorrect. So here only this is correct. Here this is correct. Here both are correct, incorrect. Here both are right. So what is VPN? VPN means virtual private network. It is the network communication between the railway board and zonal railways budget communication. It is not through the internet. Please remember. That's why it is called virtual. Virtual. It was started from the 2017 onwards. During COVID-19 pandemic, the zonal railways needed VPN connections to access the e-office for railway officials who did not have a railnet at home. Okay. So because here the pop-ups are blocked in the VPN, it allows to hide your browsing activity, identity and location while browsing the internet. Okay. It is a digital connection between computer and a remote server owned by the VPN provider. Mask your IP address, internet protocol address. This is developed by this is implemented by Railtel organization. Okay. AELDC Dash is an instrument of parliamentary financial control and important management tool. Very, very important. This is AELDC. Yes, please stop. Budget. Budget is the very, very important. Yeah. As per measure of budget, all railway demands are proposed in single demand for financial year 23-24. Yeah, please stop. This is the None of the above. Why? Because it is 85. So what is single demand? We'll discuss. Yeah. Now 102 demands is the total for central government. Out of 102 demands, our demand number is the 85. So these demand numbers, it is alphabetical order. They are allotted to the all ministries. That means obviously the agriculture ministry is allotted demand number 1 and 2. Atomic energy, it is demand number 3. And last demand number, this 102 is the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Because why? There is no ministry starting with the Z. So this is the simple thing. There is no fixed one. It is suppose any new ministry or new department is added, our demand number will be moved plus or minus. Okay. So in the first year our demand number is 80. And again one more department is added. So our demand number is pushed to 81, 82, 83, 84, and from 22, 23 onwards up to 26, 27 also. 26, 27 this current year also. Last 5 years it is the 85. 99% they will not ask the interval demand years in between. Either they may ask possibly the first year or the current year. Current year means 26, 27, it is 85. Or you please remember last 5 years it is the 85. 85, you remember this 5. Last 5 years it is the 85. This is just a number. Okay, no significance. Yeah, this is 102. If you check, the finance ministry is having 12 demands. If you check in the GFR, it is clearly mentioned. A ministry may have more than one demand number in the GFR. So previously railways is having 16 demands. Now the highest number is the finance ministry. And home affairs it is the 11 demands. Defense department is 4 demands. Railways is single 85. And all other civil ministries, agriculture, atomic energy, so on. This is AME supplementary exam. What is audit department? Is it voted or charged or special? Here question is not clarity. Yes, it is the voted. Please check this C&AG and office is the charged, including deputy C&AG also. Only charge. The audit departments in the zonal railways, it is the voted expenditure. Okay. This article also very, very important. They may ask first article 1131 charged. Then 1132 is the voted. Okay. Simple. It is a required approval. It is not required approval. Okay. What is the purpose of dash carrying out a meaningful comparison? Yes, this is the proportionate budget allotment. Budget estimates is not correct. It is a budget allotment. That means the grant will be distributed between 12 months. So that the actual expenditure for this month can be easily compared with the grant distribution by the for that month. So that's why it is called proportionate budget allotment. Okay. Yeah. This is very important. Yeah, please stop. This is the expenditure order. What is budget order? This is nothing but it is supported by the grant. Grant passed by the parliament. So budget order is 100 rupees. 1 minute. So if the railway board is authorized, the GM South Central Railway, you can spend 110 rupees. This is called expenditure order. That means it is a reappropriation or surrender or adjustments. The railway board is adjusted the funds from the other railways and allotted to the South Central Railway later. So that's why it is called expenditure order. Extent incur expenditure authorized to incur expenditure over and above the allotment sanctioned. That is called expenditure order. What is Article 114? Very important. After voting done by the Lok Sabha, we have to introduce a dash. Yes, all are incorrect. This is none of this. It is called appropriation bill. Appropriation bill to draw the money from the appropriate from the all the funds. Okay. Yeah. See, sometimes the answer lies in the question itself. Please check. To provide appropriation out of consolidated fund. So it is only appropriation bill, not finance bill, not money bill. Okay. Yeah, this is very important. Article 115. The expenditure arising out of a new policy not brought to the notice of Parliament through the railway budget, including a new activity or new form of investments. Very important. Please attend. Yes, it is the new service. New service is nothing but a simple definition, a service for which there is no provision in the budget of the year concerned. Suppose the Prime Minister visited Secunderabad and announced a construction of some activity, one building or provision that is a costing around 120 crores, but there is no budget. We are not proposed that item in the current year budget, but it is a promised by the Prime Minister. So that is called, it is a comes as a new service. If it is a budget provision is there, we have to met from consolidated fund. Budget provision is there. If it is no budget, so it is called new service, only we have to met from contingency fund. Contingency fund. Previous some 2 or 3 years back, it is the value 2.5 crore above, it is considered as the new service. Now it was enhanced to 100 crores. Very important. Jump to 25 times. So 40 times it was jumped. That means less than 100 crores, though it was not budget provided, we can reappropriate from others. It is not a new service. Only above 100 crores is the new service. And what is the new instrument of service? New instrument of service is nothing but it is not quite new. It is already last year budget or current year budget is there. But the work, suppose it is the activity, it is the 100 crores, the proposed work in budget. Now it was expanded to 250 crores. So what is the variation? 150 crores. That is the relatively large expenditure of the important expansion of the existing activity. So this is also met from the contingency fund of India. And here one more important, above 50 crores, information given to the Parliament is compulsory. Prior intimation given to the parliament is mandatory. Above 50 crores, that is the nothing but pink book limit. Pink book limit. Okay, so this is important. 2.5 to jump to 100 crores. Outcome budget, very very important. Please, your job is to find the incorrect statement. That means other three are the correct one. Yeah, I'll come back in 1 minute. Please attempt. Yeah. See, this is very important. This is the also one of the reason for introduction of this revision of the GFR in 2017. In the preface, it is clearly mentioned because of merger of budget and introduction of new platforms GEM and e-office and outcome budget. This GFR was revised from 2005 to 2017. So now we'll check one by one. Converting financial outlays into physical outcomes. Yes, this is correct one. Implemented in railways in the year 2006 and 7. Yes, this is also correct. Because in the finance ministry first implemented 2005 and 6. Then 2006 and 7 all the ministries it was introduced. And it was a progress card on what railways have done with the amount assigned in the previous annual budget. This is also correct. Like a school children is getting a progress card at the end of the year, the same way all ministries are prepared this outcome budget as a progress card and applicable for the all works of 50 crores. This is incorrect. The correct answer is 1 minute. 5 crores is the correct answer, not 50 crores. So what is the correct answer? Incorrect means D is answer. So what is correct one? 5 crores. Okay. Here also your job is finding incorrect statement. Yeah. Now we'll check one by one. Yes, budgetary control. Yes, it can be done by the both accounts or and executives. Yes, this is correct. Controls, budgetary control means only adjustment, whereas exchequer control means only cash. This is incorrect. Why? Because budgetary control as a whole, cash and adjustments, both it control, budgetary control, whereas exchequer control cash. So this statement is incorrect. Now we'll check. Yes, budgetary control exercised throughout the year. Yes, this is also correct. Why? Because through reviews and through monthly financial reviews, budgetary reviews, it is going continuously. And what is the tools for control of budgetary control? It is the budget grant and budget reviews. So B is only adjustments is incorrect. What is correct? Both cash and adjustments. Please check. Okay. cash and adjustment, this is only cash. This can be done by accounts and executive, but exchequer is done by only accounts. Okay, these two are important. This exchequer control, this is cash authorization statement issued by every month. Most important question. So whenever I told most important, please note down in the notebook. The demand shall be gross, net or credits. And credits or recoveries shown in the form. Yes. The demand shall be gross expenditure. And the credits or recoveries shown in the form of footnotes to the demands. So what is gross? See, the gross we are expenditure is required 100 crores. But we are expected credits, it is the 20 crores. So what is the net is required? 80 crores. But when you approach the parliament, you should seek the funds allotment for the 100 crores, not 80 crores. Why? Because the 20 crores expected credits may achieve or may not achieve. It is not sure. If you are not able to achieve this 20 crores, your expenditure will be exceeded if you ask net grant. So that's why always we should ask gross amount. So that's why the demand shall be for gross expenditure. Gross expenditure is correct. Then credits and recoveries is posted this demands for grants at notes, footnotes. At the end of the demands grants, we are mentioned this credits and recoveries 20 crores we are going to achieve. It is not part of the demands for grants. Okay. The preparation, this is also very, very important. Should commence at which level? Railway board level, zonal railway level, or grassroots level, or divisional level. Yeah, especially for all departments, very, very important. Yes, it is the grassroots level. Because the stores depot expenditure or AN independent unit, the AN only the perfectly knows what is the unit expenditure, not PCE or senior DN or railway board. Okay. So the preparation should be come at grassroots level. This is the exactly codal is given what? Grassroots level, that is divisions or stores or any independent units. What is accounts department responsibility? Already we discussed it. Please attempt once again. Yes, it is the only compilation and scrutiny, not preparation, not guidance, not approving. Approving is the GM budget, GM at zonal level, DRM is the divisional level, and CRB at the railway board level. The budget officer is these levels, not accounts. Accounts role is only consolidating and compiling and scrutiny. Scrutiny before submission to the GM. Okay. What is wrong pair? Very easy. Yes, very good. Yes, this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Why it is incorrect? 51. 51 is the staff welfare. Previously 51 is staff quarters, 52 staff amenities. Both merged with the staff welfare pillar at 51. Now it was deleted. The 52 staff amenities merged with the 51. Find the odd one. Odd one means incorrect one or not suited in this hand. Yes, this is why, because this is a deleted plan head. Previously we have purchase of new lines 12 is there. Now it is not required. And at the same time plan head 13, restoration of the dismantled line. Dismantled line restoration. That is also deleted. Only this is existed 11, 14, 15 is existed. 12 and 13 is not there. Okay. It was deleted in the 2019. Yeah, this is very, very important. Previously asked question. What is the correct sequence? Total we have 6 levels is there. 6 levels. Yeah. We'll check one by one. See, major head, minor and sub-major. This is comes here and minor comes here. These two are jumbled. Here it is correct. Subhead, detailed head, object. Again here check. Major head, sub-major head, minor head. But these two are jumbled. Subhead is first, detailed head later. So this is also incorrect. And please check. Major head, sub-major head, minor head, subhead, detailed head and object head. This is perfect. So C is the correct. Or we can remember, we'll try to some mnemonic word M, S, M, S, D, O. Very good. Please remember M, S, M, S, D, O. What is M? Major. Sub-major. M, minor. This is major, next minor. So major, minor is after major. So major, this is sub-major. Minor, subhead. Subhead or subordinated. Then DO. You please remember demi-official. DO. That is the detailed head and object head. Object head is nothing but it is the primary unit. Detailed head, object head is nothing but primary unit. But practical allocation 8 digit, this major head is not appeared. It is starting with the erstwhile demand number, that is nothing but sub-major head. This is also most important one. Finance Code Volume 2. Each major head or sub-major head has a two-way classification by activity and by primary unit. The activity classification identifies dash and expense item. The primary unit is identify what? Yes, please stop. This is why and what. Activity is why. This is what. This is reverse. No. This whatever. No. And whatever. No. So please check. This is 8 digits. This is the primary unit or object of expenditure. This is first 2 digits is the demand number. 1 and 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. This 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the minor head, subhead and detailed head. This entire first 6 digits is why the expenditure is incurred. That means from the first 6 digits we can identify it, is it the repair of the track, or it is the PH of the coach, or it is the running expenses of the locomotive, or it is the station maintenance, or railway school expenditure, or settlement amount. It is all decided by the first 6 digits. So that is nothing but why the expenditure is incurred. Why means activity. Then what is the expenditure? Here activity. Then what is the expenditure means? It is the basic pay or contractual payment or material procured or miscellaneous bill or electricity charges bill or PLB or composite transfer grant. This is all decided by the last two units. That is primary unit. So this is what is the expenditure? P. This is the submajor head, minor head, subhead, detail head. First 6 digits is Y, last 2 digits is the what. Very, very important, please remember. Okay. This is new capital primary units on railway board bulk orders. Yesterday we will discuss it in the RSP topic. So we'll focus on the recent railway board instructions because the question paper setter is attracting the new policy developments. Yes, it is the PU 31 and 32. Okay, this is the capital primary units. See, 31 is bulk orders or RSP. 32 is the Zonal Railways IRSP, Itemized Rolling Stock Program, that is non-bulk orders. This 21, it is the planned, not. This 51, 52 here it is not mentioned. It is the even capital and revenue both are same. 50 is the computer hardware. 51 is the consumables. 52 is the laptop. These three primary units common for the revenue as well as capital. Okay. Yeah. Previously PU 21 is their service tax, now deleted. Yeah. The estimates of MAR and demands payable are prepared by whom? And it is a requirements assessed on the what basis and what basis. This is also previous question. Yes. Please stop. This is the PFA. See, all estimates it is prepared by the executives, but these two suspensors are prepared by the PFA, accounts officer. And MR is the net basis. MR, not gross basis, only MR. And whereas demands payable, it is the gross. So you have to important. Normally budget estimates are prepared by the executives, but this MAR and demands payable it is prepared by the PFA. And normally everything it is the gross expenditure, gross budgeting, but MAR is the net expenditure. Okay. Find the incorrect pay. Already I told the demand numbers, revenue primary units and planets are three important. Yeah, anyone who is confident about the demand numbers, please raise the hand. Please speak. Yogendra ji, please unmute.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Yeah. Tell me what is incorrect here.
sir, option number C. Demand number 10 is related to fuel.
Yeah. Is it correct? The demand number 5, motive power?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So why it is incorrect? Please explain.
The 10 is related to fuel.
Yes. 10
Traffic is related to demand number 9.
Yeah. This is a traffic related to.
Demand number 9. 09.
Is it 12 is correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Yeah. Ankurji, please unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the demands for the repairs and maintenance category.
So demand number 4 is for PV activities,
Okay.
5 is for motive power,
Okay.
6 is for carriage and wagon,
Okay.
and 7th is for plant and machinery.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. So all four demands it is the belongs to repairs and maintenance. Thank you. Yeah. Keki, please unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me what is the operating category demands. How many demands are there? Please
Three,
tell
sir.
me one.
Three, sir. Three numbers, sir.
Yeah. Tell me one by one.
Sir, 8, 9, 10. Rolling stock 8, sir.
Okay.
9 traffic and 10, sir,
Okay.
fuel.
Okay. What is the common name for the all the three demands?
Sir, operating expenses.
Exactly. Very good answer. Yeah. Next. Yeah. CPG, please unmute.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah. Will you tell the demand numbers 1 to 16? Can you try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please try. From first S12 demands 1 to 16. Continuous. One by one. Number and description.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Number and description.
Ah,
Sir, first one is railway board.
very good.
Second one is
Yeah. Miscellaneous expenditure.
third one is general superintendence and services on railways.
Okay.
Four to seven is comes under repairs and maintenance, sir. So 4 is permanent way.
Very
5
good.
is motive power. 6 is carriage and maintenance. 7 is plant and equipment.
Very good.
Then operating expenses 8 to 10. 8 is rolling stock and equipment. 9 is
Okay.
traffic. 10 is fuel.
Very
And
good.
then 11 to 13. It comes under staff welfare, retirement benefits, and miscellaneous. 11 is staff welfare and amenities. 12
Very
is
good.
miscellaneous working expenses. And
Yes.
13 is provident fund, pension, and other retirement benefits.
Good. Good
And
answer.
14 is appropriation to fund. 15 is a dividend payment, but it is not required now.
No, it is required,
And
but
16,
dividends is not required, but repayment of the loan still it is in there.
yes,
Yeah, thank you.
yes, dividends are not required. And
Ah,
then 16 is acquisition and assets, construction and replacement.
yeah, excellent, excellent. Thank you. Yeah. Tarun Srivasaji, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the railway board control demands. How many demands?
Sir, 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Again,
Yeah.
15 also.
Okay. Okay, sir.
15 and 14 also. 14, though it is a part of zonal railway working expense, it is entirely dealt by the railway board. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
What are the demands called as working expenses?
Working
Demand numbers,
repair and
what are
maintenance.
the demand numbers is called as working expenses?
No. Sir, you mean to say repair and maintenance?
No. Starting demand to ending demand. Please tell me what is the working expenses is the demand number 3 to 14. 3 to 14 it is called as working expenses. Very good, very good. Yeah. Ordinary working expenses normally 14 we are excluded. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank
Now
you,
we'll
sir.
check. Yeah. So this is the yes. So please check this all first. So we'll check first categories. This is the first 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is the railway board RB and miscellaneous expenditure. First demand is the railway board, second is the miscellaneous expenditure. Next category, only 3 is one category. Only 3. This is nothing but administration, journal, railways. And next 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is nothing but group common name is the repairs and maintenance group. Repairs and maintenance group is 4 demands. We can remember starting with 4 demands. So what is 4 demands? This is the first important is track. Without track, the trains cannot run. So the repairs and maintenance of the track and equipment, P-way, permanent way, it is the demand number 4. Okay. Then next it is the locomotive. Locomotive. This is called 5. And next this is the coaches and wagons. Coaches and wagons 6. And overall this entire assets should require this machinery, plant and machinery, that is 7. See, remember, the first is track. This is the 4 to 7. First is track. This is the 4. And along with the track, buildings also, that is works. That's why repairs and maintenance of the permanent way and works. This is in fact the entire civil engineering department. And the next one is the loco. The next, this is the 5. The next one is carriage and wagons. Carriage and wagons. This is popular called is C&W. And overall 7. Machinery. And next coming to 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10 it is the operating expenses common name. First it is the loco pilot. You remember 8 is the loco pilot and 9 is the guard. So like that you please remember. And the 10 is fuel. Fuel is very, very important. That means loco pilot means it is the rolling stock. Operating expenses, rolling stock. And guard is represented traffic, commercial and operating department. Entire commercial and operating, it is the demand number 9. And 11, 12, 13, 14, there is no common group. There is no common name. 11 is the staff welfare. This is miscellaneous. This is the retirement benefits. This is the appropriation to the funds, DRF, DF. And last 15 and 16, 15 it is a dividends and repayment of loans to the central government. Now dividends is not required, but repayment of loans to the general revenues or finance ministry still it is there. We have taken loan almost 60,000 crores during the COVID period for payment of the pension liabilities of railway staff. So that loan, they are given moratorium period 5 years. 5 years it is not required. So now this moratorium it is over. In the current year 2026-27, we are supposed to repay the loan taken from the central government. So if at all loan repaid, it is comes under demand number 15. And 16, all of you know, this is the assets acquisition, construction and replacement, that is the capital construction demand. Okay. The one and only primary unit for credits and recoveries, yes, it is the 98. All other PUs are object of expenditure. But this is the object of credit. Credit object. Only 98 is object of credit. All others are object of expenditure. Okay. The two erstwhile demands have one more abstract in addition to regular one. Normally each demand is having one abstract. But two demands having more than one abstract. Yeah, anyone please raise the hand. Confidently answer this question. Yeah, Ankurji, yeah, we'll give chance to Moto 60. Please unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is the correct answer.
Sir, demand number 12 and 13.
Demand number
Sir,
12 and
13.
30. Yeah, can you tell me exactly one by one? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Demand
Demand
number
number 12
3.
has abstract K
No,
and
one
M.
by one. Whenever I ask, please tell me. Demand number 3, what is the abstract?
A.
Yeah. Participants, please carefully observe these abstracts. This is only 3 to 14. This is only 3 to 14. This abstracts. Not for 1 and 2, not for 15, not for 16. So it is starting from the alphabet A. Yeah, 3 is 4. Yeah, 3 is A, 4 is
Sir, 4 is B. 4 P works.
B. 5 is, tell me
5
abstract
is,
number.
5 is C.
6.
6 is D.
If at all the question asked, you have to do this work, rough work in the, then you have to attempt any abstract for any demand number. Yeah, 7.
7 is for E, sir.
Very good. 8.
8 is F.
Yeah. 9.
G.
Yeah. 10.
10 is for H, sir.
Now 11.
11 is J. I is
Yeah,
of,
why
I is
I?
omitted. No, sir. I is not a.
Yes, I is skipped. Only alphabet skipped is I. Please remember.
Yes, sir.
So it is the G.
In the
A, B,
previous
C, D, E, F,
lesson,
G,
you had
H,
said,
I, J,
yes,
J.
sir. Yes, sir. In previous lesson, you had told that I is sometimes confusing with 1, so that
Yes,
I is not.
exactly. I is nothing but if I write I 110, it becomes 1110. Not 1 becomes I. Okay? Yeah. 1 minute. Now the 12 is?
12 for K and N, sir.
Yeah, first we will tell K. Yeah.
K is, sir, miscellaneous working
Yeah.
expenses.
Yeah, then 13 is L. And
Yes, sir.
14 is?
14 is M, sir.
Yeah. And this 12 is having one more abstract, that is the after M, N.
Yes, sir. Suspense.
And after N, it is the
O.
So this N is suspense, MAR and demands payable. Just now we discussed the budgeting of MAR and demands payable. O is the NPS government contribution. Thank you. Very good answer. Yeah. See, this please check. This 12 demand, it is a first abstract is K, second abstract is N. And 13 it is the L and O. Okay. Yeah. Last question, and time is also up. 7:30, another 2 minutes. Please attempt. Yeah, just now discussed abstract. Yes. 03, it is nothing but A. So what is the rule for sub-major head? The demand number 3 minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to sub-major head 1. Yeah, tell me anyone who is confident about the sub-major heads. Yeah, Motorola, please unmute. Yeah, Motorola, please unmute. Yeah, Rajiv Mandal, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this sub-major head is applicable for the only which category of the demands?
Sir, demand 3 to 14.
Only 3 to 14 is applicable. It is not for 1, not for 2, not for 15, not for 16. Okay. Yeah. Tell me the demand number 8, what is the sub-major head?
6
6. Demand number 12,
to 10,
demand number 14,
12,
demand number 2,
No sub major head.
Exactly. 1 and 2 is not required. Demand number 16.
No sub major head.
So what is the rule? For converting demand number to sub major head, what is the rule?
-2.
Yeah, -2. What is the rule for converting from sub major head to demand number?
+2.
+2. Thank you. Very good. So this is the mapping. Yeah, I'll share this right up. Yeah. Thank you. See, this theme-wise
Recording stopped.
MCQ is easy and focus-based. Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, I have a
Please
question,
attend.
sir.
Please attend it today evening. It is the contracts and tenders. It is the retired senior FA. Yeah. Please tell me.
Sir, I have a question, sir, regarding sir previous day class. Sir, for establishment matter, question number 46.
Yeah, I will discuss with today faculty. Please send the screenshot or message because established matters are not perfect. I'll check with the established faculty.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Vaibhavji, बताइए.
Sir, one class of conduct rule establishment matter, please.
Yes, I will ask to establish faculty. This week it is no establishment class. Today is contracts and tenders. Tomorrow stores matters. Next week we'll take with establishment 1 or 2 sessions. Okay.
Yes, sir. No any class on conduct rule till now.
No, it is already conducted. Maybe you joined late, but we'll try to conduct again once again.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, any other Ranjit ji, Motorola, Keki. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Please join evening again 8 o'clock. Okay.
This continues MCQ, this one, sir.
Yeah, sure. And tomorrow also it is a very important session. I am planning tomorrow Sunday 10 o'clock. Please join tomorrow morning and 10 o'clock and tomorrow evening. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice time.
Okay, sir. Nice day.
thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.